Do you want a software testing job in 2026, but you have no experience, no coding background, or you are switching careers? Then watch this video till the end because today I will show you a step by step beginner's roadmap to crack a QA software testing jobs. Hi everyone, welcome to QA Testing Tips. My name is Vivek Gar. I am having around 18 years of experience and I am associated with one of the MNC as a senior QA manager. And in this channel, I will help freshers and job seekers to get into IT and QA roles. In this video, you will learn how to start software testing from zero, the skills companies are expecting in 2026, how to prepare an ATS-friendly resume, and how to apply and crack QA interviews. Okay, so let me tell you the biggest reason why freshers fail to get a QA jobs. So the reasons are no experience, confusing learning roadmap, wrong resume format, and random job applications. If this sounds like you, don't worry, I am here to solve this problem step by step. Okay, before moving ahead, I would like to explain what is software testing. So software testing means checking application to find bugs and ensure quality before release. And there is one thing, you don't need a coding knowledge to start manual testing, as many of the successful testers have started with zero programming language. I have also started my software testing career without programming knowledge. To get a QA jobs in 2026, focus on these skills: manual testing fundamentals, test case writings, bug lifecycle, Jira or any defect tracking tool. And last but not the least, basic knowledge of SQL, which is optional but very useful if you learn. And don't try to learn everything at once. Master the basics first. Remember. So if you don't have experience, you can do this. Test real websites, write test cases, find and report bugs, and create a practice projects. And this project to your resume. This is how freshers create experience. And as the more you practice, the more confident you will be in the interviews. Because interviewers don't want theory, they want real examples. Okay, so how you can build a ATS friendly QA resume? So your resume must be 1 or 2 page only. Skills and projects should clearly mention and there should no fake experience. And ATS friendly resumes can double your interview costs. Remember, how you can apply the jobs right away. So for applying the jobs, you can use LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, or the company career web pages. And you should apply 5 to 10 quality jobs daily, but not hundreds randomly. Remember. Okay, how to crack a QA interviews. So for cracking the QA interviews, you must have manual testing questions, real-time testing scenarios, project explanations, and clear communications. Because confidence and clarity, that is a key of selection. So the couple of key inputs which you should remember that learn daily, practice consistently, and apply jobs regularly. So you can get a QA jobs in 2026 even as a fresher. Fine. So if you want a QA resume template, please comment QA job below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a QA job. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.